Alright, today I want to teach us how to also add auto caption on your TikTok videos. Yes, you'll be seeing other creators when they say something on TikTok, it will be showing everything they are saying. It will be all be written down. So today I want to teach us how to use auto caption on your TikTok app. So this is my TikTok account. So let's dive in. I will click on this plus sign. It's either I record myself or I use my own distance. So I don't want to record myself. Let me use a video on my gallery. So let's choose a video now where I was saying something. So let me use this one.
Let's keep consistency.
Click on next.
Let's keep consistency aside.
So scroll down, you see captions. Click on that captions. When you click on it, you see that it's processing, right? Allow it to process up to 100%. Up to 100%. Then we'll move on to the next.
Let's keep consistency.
So you see it now. So I want to edit this now. I will now click on this A plus sign here now to change the view. So if I want it to be bold, you see this writing now, I want it to be bold. So just choose any one you want, like anyhow you want the write-up to be. Choose it from this place that I'm scrolling on. You get it now. So anyhow you want it to be, just choose from this place. You see it? So have you seen it? So this place now is for you to choose colors. Which color do you want your this thing to be like? If you want it to be like this, you choose the color. If you want it to be red, you choose this color. You get it now. So if you want it to be this bold, you see bold like this, you also choose it. If you don't want it, just remove it. Just be clicking on this A alphabet here. After everything, just click on save. You see it now. So after saving, you can now click on this save that is up here. This save that is up here, you click on it. When you click on it, you can click on this thing now and drag it. If you want it to be bold, you drag it. If you use your two fingers, to drag it anyhow you want it to be. You see it now. After everything, you just click on next and post on your TikTok handle. Hope is well understood. Thank you for staying by.